the Muslim community in Peterborough, the congregation of Masjid Ghousia, and indeed the wider community are extremely disappointed with the decision of the Peterborough City Council to refuse permission to broadcast call to prayer, the azan, on loudspeakers. This is something that has been requested by many local residents living in the vicinity of Masjid Ghousia, and we were hoping that the council, given that we have a great diversity in our wonderful city of Peterborough, they will grant permission. But unfortunately, that wasn't the case. But we will carry on pursuing this avenue because the local people want it, and I know once people start hearing the call to prayer, they will embrace it and welcome it, inshallah.